the fish cooking expert. First, this man catches a fresh fish straight from the sea. After that, he washes it properly and cleans it perfectly. Then he puts the fish into a big frying pan or cooking pot and adds oil. Once the oil gets hot, he starts frying the fish carefully. After frying, he adds delicious spices and makes cuts on the fish so the masala can go deep inside. Then he leaves the fish to cook slowly until it becomes perfectly crispy and tasty. Finally, the fish gets fully cooked and everyone starts enjoying the delicious meal. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing cooking videos.